Hey guys, so welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to enable vertical tabs in Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to do this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser. Once you are here guys, you just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and you can just simply go for the settings down below. Now, over here on the settings, you could just simply go for the left side over here, and then go ahead and go for the appearance. Here on the appearance, you will have multiple category. You will have appearance and tabs. So from here, as you can see, we will have an option to use vertical tabs and select turned on over here. Now, as you can see, we will now have new tab, and pretty much you could edit it out by show title bar, as you can see, or you could go for hide completely when minimize, auto expand on hover when minimize, and we'll have other options as well, and you could switch it to left and right over here, and you could even show the scroll bar. Now from here, you will have an option to turn it on and off, and you will have other categories as well that you could edit out into your tabs over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.